Matthew Wright. They go into Aram. Soft double team. He turns and he swishes that jumper from the side.
No problem for Aram with 7 points and 5 rebounds off the bench in that win versus Malaysia.
But straight to the basket, it was si Tran, Washington State Cougars back in the United States.
Right.
So US trained din yan.
Led the way in scoring versus Malaysia as Paul Aram knocks in a mid-range shot.
Did play for Batangilas many years ago. So may international experience na yan. But this is different. Oh, there's an interception. And this is going to be an easy layup para kay Tandin. Distracted by the defense of the tall centers. In Nguyen, he's their tallest player at 6'8". Dirker on the break, swishes a 3 and gives his team a lead, 7-4. Tagal na rin yan nagsaserve sa kanilang national team.
Since 2019 at least.
Here's Dalf Panopio. He misses, pero andun si Boy Aram to clean that up. 6 early points. Here come the Philippines. Chance to grab the lead back sa sequence na ito. And there it is! Jamie Malonzo slams it home.
Play.
So that's the Jamie Malonzo we have come to know through the years. Nakaagaw ang Pilipinas. Lead pass way ahead to Ray Ray. That's an easy lay-in para kay second generation.
Can play at least 3 positions and defend all those positions as well with ease.
Maganda ng atake nitong si Justin Young. And he hits that basket. Heading the other way. Oh, no one near him sa kanyang mga kakampi. He takes it anyway, misses. But then there's Dirker. Offensive rebound and putback amidst 3 Gilas. They swing it around. Von Pesomales in the game as well, but it's 30 Ravenna now. The mid-range. Jumper is good for 30.
Super strong. 30 Ravenna gets to his shooting spot.
The chance to play for the national team. Another 3 hoisted up by Vietnam. And you know, if you let them take it that many times, they're bound to hit a few. But Sipre will just get started on his second year next season. Here come the red shirts. A chance to regain the lead. Mr. Wiggle ang tawag sa kanya. He was...
Pero after makalaro mo ng isang quarter, at least makilala mo, alam mo ng bantayan. Somebody's open.
He's gonna get his first 2 points in this game. Napapasok lang Manzano. That time with a 5-second difference between the clocks. Here he goes again. He kick to the corner. Nice setup for the big man. And he puts that one in. Knocking down to 3. Win-win.
Nakakatakbo ang Vietnam at nahatak yung mga helpers natin para malibre yung mga bigs na tumatama mula sa labas. Biggest lead. Yung 5 puntos sa halamangan ng Malaysia at lumamang pagkatapos ng first 20 minutes ng 42-26.
Well, that's a welcome basket. Pointer, finally, you just mentioned it. We needed outside shooting. 30 Ravenna puts that one in. But binawi naman agad ng Vietnam.
Matchup.
From College of St. Vito, may shoulder injury yata si Liwag. So, tamang-tama, ipinasok ang veteranong si Aram. He's doing well so far. But look at that. Another inside incursion and they're getting...
Para sa Pilipinas, bagay na nagawa ng maayos kontra sa Malaysia kaya walang mapuntahan ng opensa nila sa halos kabuuan ng pangalawang quarter.
Binalik sa kanya, atake ng baseline. Stuffed by Boy Aram, good defense. Here comes the Philippines. Matthew Wright will stop and pop from 3. That's how you do it.
Oh yes.
In the meantime, ito Vietnam, di diskarte.
Laban sa change-up defense ng Pilipinas. Oh wow.
But here it is again, no? Pag-tref ng Pilipinas, bumabawi ang Vietnam with a 3. Tran now handling it, down to 7 seconds on their shot clock. He'll try again. And he'll make it again. And that's an 11-point lead, coach. The pass goes to the big man. Nguyen on the run. Elegant shot. Ala Ramon Fernandez yun.
Pambihira naman, lahat ng ipinukol ay pumasok. Pero kailangan maswertihin tayo mula sa opensa dito sa mga natitirang minuto and a good second quarter finish.
Dalf Panopio hitting that 3. Nice setup from Matthew Wright.
Again, shoot kahit paano, ayan na naman, atake.
At yung nawala sa kanyang bola, it ends up with the arms of his teammate, in the hands of his teammate, and he knocks it in. Manzano running with him. Instead, he goes to Chua. To the side, Matthew Wright. releasing from three and connecting.
7 straight points for the Philippines.
Panopio sets up Chua. The fake, the drive, and the layup for Justin Chua.
9 straight points for the Philippines.
6 seconds on the shot clock. Berto Bolic with the possession. Kicks it out. Matthew Wright, another three on the way. That's good!
Wow. A long ball. That's his third three-point conversion, by the way.
Matthew will try again. This one is way short. Pero andun sa ilalim, the man we were talking about, Cedric Manzano.
Open.
Kicks it to the cutter. That's a finger roll mula kay JP Eram.
You know what Robert Bolic can do. 2-point lead for the Philippines.
Tran, he's in a bind. Ball's on the floor. Nakuha na ng mga nakaputi. Parks up ahead. Easy layup for Matthew Wright.
And easily Matthew Wright at the forefront. This mark of quarter 3. So, halos 6 na minuto na scoreless spell para dito sa Vietnam from the field. Ooh.
Yan na, the outside shot from the big man. Sensi Nguyen up ahead to Berto Bolic. He'll drop it to the trailer. Matthew Wright will not convert. Ray Parks is there, outside to Bolic. He'll take a three instead. That goes! Napakanda ba?
Oh, naman.
Bit of a hesi move. He'll take the jumper. That's off target. Tapigan ng bola, it's on the floor. Tran picks it up. Got some white shirts in front of him. He'll attack. And the layup para sa kanya. But it's just a 3-point lead. Precarious to say the least, and now it's down to just one.
Wow.
And look at that strong drive from Chris Durker.
That's his strong side.
Malonzo could have been in travel, and they are saying that. That's what Vietnam is saying. But hindi na tayo magugulat kasi pumapasok ang mga thrift ng Vietnam mula sa pool na ating laro. Ito na. Berto, some contact, dropping it to Eram. And he finishes strong, looking for a foul as well. Bolic the kick to Malonzo. Didn't take the three, drives inside, lost it. Parks will take a three instead. That's short. Malonzo will power up for the putback. Well, the Philippines made a run, but Viet tracking it down. 2 baskets for him here. Jerker will drive, drop it over. Nguyen inside. And the big guy, Nguyen, gets an inside incursion this time. Found an answer, coach. We're all tied up at 55 in the third quarter. So, Pilipinas, good rebounding. Oh, look at that. What a play. We kick it back out to the guy coming from behind the layup. I don't think anyone thought that Vietnam would hang this long with the Philippines, but they didn't just hang. Sergio Ravena's going to check in at the next dead ball. In the meantime, napunta na naman kay Nguyen. And this man is oozing with confidence. He ties it up at 55.
Outside, inside, and mid-range.
Fight back. Itong strategy ni Coach Matt Van Pelt has been working. The kick out the three-point land. Matthew Wright ties it up quickly. The Philippines is in a fight right now kontra sa Vietnam. The drive. He puts it up. Halos back to the basket na ginawa ni Vauban. Panopio setting the table. Goes behind his back. Tries to drive. Puts it up, and he gets it to go. The pass inside to Eram. He's able to handle it this time, but he's blocked upstairs. Good defense from the big guys. Nguyen underneath. Bolic kept it alive. Outside to Parks. 10 seconds to shoot. Bolic releases from 3. That's good! Much needed. Make it a two possession game.
4-point bonus play. 3-point conversion.
Stay away from that.
Yes.
Bolic. The 3. Good!
There you go.
For Berto Bolic. Bolic now looking for some room. Poy Eram setting the screens. They go back to Poy. He's thinking about it. He'll take it. And he will make a 3 for the top of the key. What a shot. Nice up fake. Jumper mid-range. Matthew Wright bitin. Malonzo the board.
That's a big
Putback
one.
is good. And Jamie's been working hard underneath.
Indeed.
Jerker will drive. Lose it momentarily. He's able to recover. Good hands. Win from 3.
No.
Nakapasok pa ng isa yung big man. Hindi na, okay na yan. So Philippines survives. I'll say survives. Vietnam 78-67. Nice fourth quarter kick from Gilas Pilipinas. Big shots when they needed it to pull away at the end. Win by double digits, coach.